Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're one of my beloved returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. So in this video, I have a haul to share with you. I have picked up quite a bit of the new body care, and I have coupons too. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, stick around and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's go. So I have a couple of bags here, and these, I guess we're still technically in winter, but they seem more like spring fragrances to me. So let's start off with, I got this body gel, shower gel, Gingham Love, because I'm not really sure. I smelled it in the store. I'm not really sure if I love it, so I just went ahead and picked up something in the mini so I could try it out on me. But it says, love at first sight, sweet, warm, happy, and playfully romantic. Fragrance notes are sugared red berries, blushing freesia, and rose meringue. And yeah, I mean, it's fruity. Definitely get the berries, like berries and rose, but it's just okay. So I'm gonna try it in the shower gel, and if I like it, I'll get more of it. Now, I also picked up Bubbly Rose, and it's really pretty packaging. I got the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with Hyaluronic Acid, and I also got the Fine Fragrance Mist. The Fine Fragrance Mist retails for $16.50, and the body cream is $15.50. Scent notes are pink, sparkling rosé, sweet blood orange, and a splash of cranberry. And I did smell this one in the store, but I usually don't like blood orange. So let's see. Okay, I am getting the blood orange, and a fruitiness, bright fruitiness, which must be the cranberry. It's not bad though. Usually blood orange is just like, ugh, but okay, it's okay. I kind of like that one. All right. So that's Bubbly Rose. Oh yes, this one I actually love. I'm going to put up a review for this one because I did go ahead and use some of this. This is Peach Prosecco Macaron, and I love the little macarons on the Fine Fragrance Mist, so cute. And then I've got the body cream. The fragrance notes are, excuse me, peach prosecco, vanilla cream, and macaroon cookie. Whisk yourself away to a Parisian cafe and enjoy the delicate treats and bubbly drinks. I typically love anything peach. I do. I love peach. So, yeah, I smelled this in the store, and I was just like, oh yes, I really, really, really like that one. It's like fruity, but it's also comforting for winter. So, yeah, I really like that one. I'm going to get a review up for you guys on that one. Okay, and then I picked up, whipped berry meringue. Make sure that doesn't fall. And this one's purple. It's a beautiful lavender. I love lavender. Such beautiful packaging. Really, I just love it. Yep. So cute. Okay, fresh berries, whipped sugar, and fluffy vanilla. Just everything that I love. I love berries. I love sugar. I love vanilla. So I didn't smell this one in the store. Let's see. Smells light. Let me spray this. Let's see. Okay, definitely getting berry and vanilla. It smells very light. Hints of like boardwalk taffy. Yeah, I mean, same scent notes, berries, sugar, and vanilla. So, but it smells very light. Okay, I'm gonna have to use that one, but I like it. When I sprayed it in the air, I sort of smelled boardwalk taffy, like kind of reminded me of that, but I'm gonna have to really put it on myself and wear it to really see how that one smells. You know what I mean? Alright. And then I picked up white T-shirt. And I remember hearing about this one online, but it never hit my store, so I never got a chance to try it. So I'm really excited about this. Beautiful packaging. It sort of looks like a denim, like stone-washed vibe, kind of, a little bit, you know what I mean? And then the Fine Fragrance Mist has the gold speckles on it. I love anything gold, so white T-shirt. Okay, let's see what this retails for. $16.50 for the mist and $15.50 for the cream. Okay, the scent notes are crisp pear, fresh white T-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, and soft sandalwood. The pear. I hope the pear doesn't ruin it. Oh, I like this. It's giving me, like, definitely, like, a clean cotton smell. Like, putting me in the mind of, like Sea Island cotton a little bit. Oh. Yeah, I like that one. Not disappointed at all. So that is white T-shirt. And what else did I... Okay, so then I went ahead and picked up some hand soaps. Fresh coconut and cotton. I got it in the hand soap because I did smell this. It comes in the body care, and I did smell this in the store, but I'm not a huge coconut fan. If you follow me, then you know that. And it just had too much coconut, but if you like coconut, it was like a great balance of like coconut and like that fresh cotton smell. It wasn't bad. Just for me, coconut's not my favorite, so I was like, I don't really want to smell like coconut, so I'll just get it in the hand soap. So the scent notes are coconut, coastal breeze, and beachside cotton. Let's see how the hand soap compares. Yeah, it's really, it's nice. Definitely smells like fresh, clean cotton, like fresh air and cotton, and then you get that coconut. Yeah, so it's not bad. I'm not a huge coconut fan, but I think I'll like this in the hand soap. So I got that, and I did the 4 for $20. And then I got white T-shirt in the hand soap because, I mean, the scent notes are just right up my street. Yeah, that's nice. It's nice in the hand soap too. Very, very fresh, cottony, beautiful. Then what did I get? Sunshine and lemons. Sunshine and lemons. And I love the packaging. Isn't this cute? Looks kind of like glam, sophisticated. Okay, Yuzu, grapefruit, and sun rays. Ooh, grapefruit. I did not smell this in the store. I just liked the thought of sunshine and lemons. Okay, a lot of lemon. Like a real zesty lemon, very bright, and then that grapefruit like zings through there, but it's nice. I think I might put this one in the kitchen. Yeah. You know, because when you're cooking and cutting up like onions and stuff, like citrusy hand soaps are great for that. So, it's not bad. That'll go in the kitchen. Oh, and then I picked up an aromatherapy one, Lavender and Vanilla, which is one of my just all-time favorite scents. Lavender oil and vanilla absolute, vitamin E, shea extract, and aloe. And I love this. I keep this in like a lotion, a body wash, because I just love the combination of the vanilla and lavender. Yeah, it's so pretty. It smells like the body care. Vanilla and lavender. Very simple and classic. Okay, so let's talk about these coupons. Cute packaging. They're highlighting champagne toast. Cheers to you. And Bubbly Rose. Okay, so there's a lot of scents that go with this line. I did not pick up champagne toast because I have a lot of that, and it's not my favorite. There's a Pear Creme Brulee that I actually did not see in my store. Pear Creme Brulee. And then it looks like Confetti Daydream is back too. But this turquoise one here is the Pear Creme Brulee. Yeah, so, you know. Coupons, free gift up to $7.50. And I think that has to be body care now, which I really don't like because the fine fragrance mists are $8.50 in the minis. So it's like you have to get one of those hand creams or like a shower gel. And I just feel like the hand creams are a ripoff. Like you don't get as much as you could just get like a mini lotion or a mini body cream and get more for your money. The hand creams, they're very similar to the body creams, only they're a little bit more greasy, like oily. So, and you only get a little bit of it. I just feel like they're not good value, in my opinion. I would just rather get either a mini lotion or a mini body cream. That's my opinion. But you get a 20% off your entire purchase, a free gift up to $7.50, and then a $6 Wallflower fragrance plug and refill bundle. Sometimes the coupons are different. You know what I mean, you guys? Because I've seen people, you know, showing their coupons online, and I'm like, I would rather have had that because I had a free Wallflower or whatever. And I have used their Wallflowers in the past, but I don't really use them. I'm a Scentsy consultant, as you know, probably if you follow me and you see all the Scentsy videos. So I have like tons of warmers, and my house smells great all the time. And yeah, I just don't really use the plugins because like the oil, I never felt like I was getting all of the oil out. There would always be oil left in the bottom, and it would stop smelling way before all of that oil was used up. And it just, even though they're lovely, they're great for night lights. They're lovely. I'm not into them. And if you are, that's great. And I hope you get the coupon so that you can get a $6 Wallflower fragrance plug and refill, which is pretty good value. So those are the coupons. So that's what I have for you for this video. My bags are empty. Thank you so much if you made it to the end, and please comment and let me know if you tried any of these and which ones are your favorites, and what coupons you got. Did you get a coupon? If you got a different coupon than me, let me know, because I'm always curious about that. But thank you so much. God bless you guys. I know there's an ice storm that's moving across the nation, so just be safe, praying that you and your families are safe and happy and that you don't lose power. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.